Okay, so let me read you the instructions first. Because like I have a script that I have to read. It's not really hard. I'll be asking you some questions about your thinking about decimals. I'm here as a member of a group of teachers who try to understand better how students think about decimals. So I'll be asking questions to help me and others better understand your thinking. I'm not here to teach or correct you, just learn how you think. If I ask you to explain something more, that does not mean you made a mistake. Take your time, try to share as much of your thinking as possible. So I'm going to give you each this set of worksheets, okay?
Ms. Williams, please contact the main office. Ms. Williams, please contact the main office.
So I'm going to start with Danielle, right?
Yep.
And your?
Amia.
Amia, Danielle and Amia, okay. So Danielle, read that first number for me.
0.2.
0.2. Is there another way to read it? Is there another way to say it?
2 over 10.
2 over 10. Okay, and any other ways?
2 over 100.
2 over 100. Okay. Why would you say 2 over 100?
I don't know.
Okay. Amia, what about the B? What, could you read that number for me?
3.75.
Okay, is there another way to read that?
No.
No, only that one way?
Yeah.
And Danielle, what about C?
0.402.
402. You know it's at 402 what?
Thousand.
Thousands. Okay. Now, Amia, look at A. How would you explain that number to a 5th grader?
Explain it to a 5th grader.
Yeah, if we had, let's say for example, Tamara was a 5th grader. How would you explain to her what that number meant?
Look at it as 2 quarters. No, let me see. Not 2 quarters, but I don't know.
Don't know. Danielle, any thoughts on that? How you would explain
look
that?
Look at it as 2 dimes.
2 dimes.
But it's in the tens place. Again.
Okay. So 0.2 would be like 2 dimes, like maybe 20.
Yeah.
But there's no 0 there.
It could be.
Could be. You know, if there was a 0 there, would it change the value at all?
Yes.
It would?
It'd be 100.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. Let's go on to B. Danielle, could you explain this one to a 5th grader?
Look at it as $3.75.
Okay, $3.75. That's a good way to look at it. Any other ways?
Nope.
No? Okay. Amia, look at C. How would you explain that number to a 5th grader? Someone who might not know.
Like, say if you had like 402 pennies.
Well, if you had 402 pennies, how much money would you have?
402 pennies. 100 pennies. How much is that?
100 pennies is
$1.
$1.
So that'd be $400. I mean, again, $4.02.
Does that number look like $4.02 to you?
No.
No. So is there another way we could explain that other than money? Okay. I'm going to show you some grid paper that I have that has different representations on it of ones, tens, and hundreds. If you had this paper, could you show a 5th grader what 0.2 represented, what 2 tenths represented?
2 tens.
0.2. Could you shade it in? There's a pencil. Could you shade it in?
These 10. Or you could do it like this. No, that's 2 over 100s.
Okay. And what about B? How would you represent B?